Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the USB and getting the update file onto it. You must use an 8 GB or larger drive formatted FAT32. Formatting removes old data. Once the file finishes downloading, unzip and confirm the forward folder structure is intact. Plug the USB into your car's port with the vehicle in park and ignition on. Make sure the screen is awake. This immediate setup avoids errors and gets the system ready to detect the update. Once Sync 3 detects the USB, it will prompt you to install. You should accept the terms and start the process. The unit copies files, then installs. Expect 20 to 60 minutes and multiple automatic reboots. Do not remove the USB or cut power. If the screen goes blank, make sure the engine remains on and the battery stays charged. During installs, background updates to maps or apps can extend time, so be patient and let the system finish all phases before moving on. When Sync 3 shows the final confirmation and idle screen, you can safely remove the USB. Avoid extracting too early or changes may be incomplete. Then check settings right arrow general right arrow about to confirm the new version and test radio, Bluetooth, and navigation. If the update fails or features are missing, reformat your USB to FAT32, re-download the complete update package for your VIN, and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.